Hey guys, so to set this up, it's quite easy. So back here, as we'll see, that's for the volume, so that goes up and down. Obviously, you do need to hook it up. Other than that, this is the only really thing that's interesting here, because if you need to stick it to the ground, here you go. But for those of you who want it inside or something like that, then, or just don't want to stick it on the ground, just open this up and it becomes this type of tripod type of thing. So in order to set this up, I'm just going to show you quickly. I can also adjust this, by the way. So down here, you will see this and this, right? So what we need to do in this case, so we're going to place this first, actually. Then we're going to slip this in. Then we're going to turn this until it's nice and tight. So once it's nice and tight, you will notice it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so you can loosen it up in order to place this however you like. Other than that, all you guys have to do is open this guy up, place it, and you're ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna hook it up so you guys can see exactly how this works. But that's the main setup for it. Very simple. So I'm just testing it indoors, and here we go. So there's 3 lights. That's the sound. We can turn up the sound. I'm not gonna put it too loud because my dog will get scared. It looks okay. You guys can place this pretty far away. It's not dark yet, and as you guys can see outside, it's not dark at all. However, we can still see the lights, which is great. That means at nighttime, this will play out really, really well. So that's a quick preview. I know it's not the best, guys, but at least you know what you're getting. Now, this guy is pretty heavy, so he does go up and down quite a bit. So you got to keep it steady. So here we go. Anyways, that would be it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.